Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and device. Update Tango, sign in, and make sure location services are enabled so the app can read your position. Once done, open Tango and go straight to Profile or Settings. Don't wander through menus. You need to confirm your current profile city and privacy mode because changing location can alter who sees you. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. This prevents partial updates that leave your profile inconsistent. You will now change the value itself. In Settings, go to Profile, then Location or City, and choose how to set it. Type a city, drop a pin on the map, or pick a suggested place. Use manual entry when you want a fixed city versus device location if you prefer automatic updates. Once you select a new location, save changes and watch for a confirmation message. This update tells Tango where to surface your profile, so pick the most relevant city for visibility and matches. Finish by verifying the change. Open your profile and confirm the new city shows up for others. If it doesn't, make sure Tango has location permission, then disable any active VPN or mock location tools because they can block updates. Clear the app cache, force quit, and relaunch. If that fails, sign out and sign back in or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if your location flips back, check for system setting or another app overriding location. Turn that off before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.